Many of you use liquidation heat maps in your trading, but the most important question, which one better to use? Coin glass, high block capital, coin ank, and all other stuff. There are a lot of them, but which the most accurate and which better to use, because they cost money. I use this one called SpreadFighter. I will add link to this service in the description, and let me explain to you why it's better and short tutorial. First, it is better because it shows to you clear levels where biggest liquidation appears and numbers that really accurate. Because sometimes when I analyze this high block capital, I can see here so big numbers that doesn't exist. It's impossible that there would be such liquidation. Second reason why I use this one, because it is so fast. Because sometimes here to open a chart, it takes too much time to work with it. That's why I use the SpreadFighter. How to work with that? You open account, of course. After that, you have market data. You have such layout where is nothing. Here, pay attention that you unlocked, because it's super important, because in other cases you won't be able to add other stuff. And let's add liquidation, and let me show to you how they looks here. Before, I invite you to join our public Telegram, where I share free signals, market updates, analysis, education that will help you understand market and make money. Follow me, link is in description, and it is 100% free for you. Step number one here, we open this chart widget. You can see we can move it as you wish. Let's do here, you can set up different time frames. Also, you can see it is the same as on TradingView. You can do all settings as you wish. For example, I don't like lines when we have upper and lower line, grid lines. I would like to set 0 here. You can do all settings that you wish. After that, here would be this menu, widget menu, and here would be margin levels chart. Let's add it. You can see it shows to you this margin levels. I like to do it something like this, and it nearly the same as a chart, because it shows to me clearly the biggest liquidations. How this stuff works, and also we can add, for example, liquidations. And here, additionally, we can add this control panel where we can see our top instruments that we would like to analyze. Okay. And here, highly advise you to lock it, because in other cases you won't have any problems that someone that you would move anything and or you by accident would be able to delete. Just lock it. Good. Here, how to add liquidations. Super simple. You can draw them all. And at this moment, you can see that they shows to you exact number, how much could be liquidated at clear level. You can see like here. 36,750. Why I love this stuff? Because you can see it's so easy to switch between time frames, and you exactly can see the biggest liquidation at this moment. Plus here you can add and you can see by real time when those liquidation appears. Additionally, you can add additional indicators, for example, stop killer. And you can see in real time when someone big got liquidated in USD, you can see. And here we can see exactly where some big liquidation appears. How to switch between time frames and all other stuff, for example, 30-minute time frame. So easy, you can see. After that, here you have all this list of instruments that we can use. Ethereum, for example. Again, draw all, and congrats, we can see the biggest liquidation at this moment on Ethereum. How to delete all those levels? You can see this one, delete, and it remove all these liquidations. Plus, additionally, you can by manually you can add exact liquidation level, and you can see the biggest liquidation and add only them into a chart to see how they played out. SpreadFighter has also additional features that are really cool, but we will cover them in other videos. At this moment, you need to remember that liquidations, it's not a holy grail. You need to use it together with whole system, because entry point far more important. Liquidation, it is like a magnet, but you need to take a trade in proper place. That's why right now I share with you full lesson with my strategies that I use for a trend market, range market. Watch them and you will enjoy and you will make money.